My name is John Poulet. I worked here for John for, I guess, 29 years.
29 years?
Yep.
So there's got to be something about this you like to be here for 29 years.
I love the clientele. I love the area. Just like auto repair in general.
What do you like about the clientele?
Just the quality of the people. They're fun. They're nice to talk with. They understand stuff, you know, so it's not a big battle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then auto repair, you said you like that too. What do you like about auto repair?
The challenge of a problem coming in, and then watching it drive out the driveway with no problem at all, and a happy customer.
Wow.
Fixing the problem.
Now, is it always that easy? Is it always...
No, it's a messy sometimes, but all in all, we work through it and get it done. I now have customers, children coming in with their children in their cars for service.
Wow.
Yeah, generations.
Relationships you built over generations.
Exactly. Yeah.
How cool.
Yeah. So it's fun. It's really nice.
And is that a large part of, or what role does that play in your enjoyment of the job?
Probably 80%.
Really?
Yeah. Just seeing familiar faces coming back time and time again for whatever, for a set of wiper blades, a headlight, or major auto repair.
So can you tell us about the craziest experience you've had with a customer?
Yeah, this one lady came in for a brake and lamp inspection on her car.
Okay.
It failed. When I presented her the news that the car failed the brake and lamp inspection, she threw her arms in the air and wailed and threatened to kill herself.
What?
Because her car did not pass the brake and lamp inspection, and it was just, yeah.
Did she compose herself?
No. She actually called the police on us because they thought we were ripping us off, and we were ripping her off, and wound up her father had to come and get her.
So what's the sort of most common everyday stress point in the job for you?
Sometimes we would try to be as competitive as we can with the area. You know, there's always these shops that have these, you know, $60 an hour labor rates, so they call these guys, and all of a sudden they come back for the same projects, you know, for a water pump or time belt replacement.
Right.
And all of a sudden they're saying, well, I can get it done for $250 cheaper, where we're giving them the most competitive price we can, and I don't know if it's an actual thing or they're just kind of testing to see if we'll budge on the price. And that, you know, you do that a couple, 3 times a day, it wears on you.
You get a lot of price shoppers?
Sometimes we do. Yeah. And it's just, it's kind of weird because they don't trust you, and you think, you had a good reputation with another customer that comes back, and they start questioning you, and that gets kind of stressful. I don't like to put people on spots. Like, we had a student from, I think it was Menlo College, came in with bald front tires on his front wheel drive car.
Oh no.
And the dad's grilling me, why are the front tires bald? And the rear tires are okay, and I'm like, here we go.
Yeah.
Your kid is doing burnouts. I'm just telling you how it is.
You listen to Car Talk when you
Yeah, I do that, and I like to listen to that because I like to listen to the people's complaint and then see if I can get the correct question before click and clack do.
Wait, so on Sunday morning, on your day off,
on my day off,
you listen to NPR you try to diagnose car problems.
Right, listen to the people's gripe, and then the other 2 guys are talking about it.
Why do you do that?
Just for fun. it's all good, It's fun just to do that, yeah. So it's fun doing that. And listen to the people kind of describe the problem. And those 2 guys, I've heard them, they say, the lady says, oh, the guy says, my car's making this noise. Then they'll go, how'd it go? And then make the person do it again and again. So, which is funny, yeah.
Do you ever make people do that here? Just say, how's the noise go?
Yeah, I have, so.
More for your own personal perspective.
Yeah, it's fun. Breaks up the day.
Right.
Yeah.